Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Marqeta card issuing platform. Marqeta card issuing platform is a service that allows businesses to easily issue and manage payment cards for their customers. It's targeted towards fintech companies, businesses needing to quickly deploy virtual or physical cards, and anyone needing a robust and scalable card issuing solution. Key features include virtual card issuance, physical card production management, and robust APIs for integration. Their website provides details on their comprehensive suite of tools. Marqeta highlights its ease of use, focusing on a streamlined onboarding process and intuitive interface. They emphasize their advanced security features and flexible pricing models, although specific pricing is often determined on a case-by-case basis. They leverage modern technology for quick card provisioning and real-time transaction monitoring. Availability is global, but specific regional support may vary. You can check their website for detailed information. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using the Marqeta card issuing platform. Setting up my account was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was well-guided and intuitive, with clear instructions at every step. Navigating the interface was also pretty easy. I particularly appreciated the dashboard's clear visualization of key metrics like transaction volume and outstanding balances. I was able to quickly issue several virtual cards for testing purposes, and the entire process, from creation to activation, took only a few minutes. Performance was excellent, transactions processed quickly and reliably. I had a quick question about customizing card designs, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a very helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how customizable the cards are, allowing for tailored branding and functionality. One minor drawback was the slightly steep learning curve for utilizing the more advanced features, like setting up complex rules for transaction approvals. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Marqeta card issuing platform. It's a powerful tool that's capable of handling substantial transaction volumes while maintaining a user-friendly interface. It definitely met my needs and exceeded my expectations in terms of speed and efficiency. That's my overview of the Marqeta card issuing platform. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.